Noozle3D offers two different types of grip attachments for the string launcher: the Dragon and the Ring. Both models will attach to the side pieces on the string itself. Both models feature two holes that will line up with the side pieces on the string launcher. To install, line up the attachment with the string launcher. Bend one side out of the way. Insert the first hole on the side of the string launcher. Then insert the second side. They are constructed with a flexible TPU material, so don't worry about flexing or bending during installation. Repeat this same process with the ring grip. Line up the attachment with the string launcher, move one side out of the way, insert the first side, and insert the second side. With any further questions, email support@noozle3d.com.